Hello everyone, my name is Dany Lopez. I am your Houston Realtor with EXP. I service all of Houston and surrounding cities. Today we're going to be looking at this beautiful model home built by Drees. And what this model consists of, it has a 3-bedroom. It also has a 3.5 bathrooms. Square footage is around 3,000 square foot, and the model home name is Maryland. So with that being said, come on over and let's go ahead and take a look. Alright guys, so what did you guys think about this model home? Isn't it so spacious and it's have a lot of light? Let me know in the comments whether you like it or not. What did you like and what did you dislike? Remember, this is a Brynlee home. Let me share a little tip about this particular company is that if by any chance you see or you notice something else on a different model that doesn't necessarily is this type of new construction, they will make the adjustment for you. So that's something that not a lot of builders will do. Okay, the sales rep even went ahead and tell me that they did a custom elevator. So not a lot of builders will go to that length to please their customers. Just something to keep in mind that will help you distinguish which builder you want to go ahead. Now, with that being said, guys, please like and follow. I'm a realtor. I'm here to help you, whether you're selling and buying or considering buying new construction. This model in particular is their #1 most sold. So before they sell out, make sure you call me at 832-543-1156. My name is Dany Lopez, and you have a wonderful day, and God bless.